Help your arthritis pain with this advice. At any given point, there are millions and millions of adults who are having difficulty living with arthritis. It is important to remain optimistic about the disease, especially when there are so many options available. The tips and tricks in this video will help you understand and deal with the nature of the disease. Try different treatments with hot and cold packs to see what works for you. Different patients have different success with hot or cold compresses. Generally, chronic pain responds well to heat, while sudden onset pain responds best to cold packs. Everyone is different, however, and your initial treatment attempts may not bring immediate relief. Make sure you don't smoke. Smoking has been shown to increase your risk of developing rheumatoid arthritis. Not only that, but if you do develop it, smoking has been shown to worsen the joint damage. Patients who smoke most often have much more severe symptoms than those patients who don't smoke. It can be very beneficial to stop arthritis. A good prevention tip is to use good typing habits. Always make sure you type with your hands level to the keyboard, and use a mousepad that has a raised wrist support. This will reduce strain to your hands and protect problems from developing later. For people who suffer from arthritis in their hands or fingers, try wearing a hand brace. This is especially helpful for those who are on the computer often. These hand braces will help to keep joints in your hands and fingers supported, even when they are being used a lot. If you follow the advice given in this video, you will find yourself better prepared to cope with your condition. While arthritis may make it difficult to perform certain tasks, it is certainly not the end of the world. There are many options available to help you make it through each day with your arthritis. Would you like to discover the arthritis breakthrough your doctor won't tell you about? Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn more. Uncover one cheap ingredient, found in every supermarket, proved to improve arthritis 48%. Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.